So the cool part is actually coming. Let's discover how do we get funds to support our activities and run our project. That's what you're here for, right? So often in our courses, I ask our participants one question. And the question is, how come we manage to gather all together? So we have groups of 10, 20, 30, 40 people from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 countries together in one room. And we gather in one country for a training course. So the question is, how come we manage to gather all together here in one country? We all traveled here and we have funded our accommodation. We have our meals covered and we get reimbursed for our travels. How is this possible? So here we go. You have been going through a lot of different new stuff. I hope it's not too much. Remember, from time to time, make a break, go outside, have some fresh air, drink some water, do your reflection exercise, which is very important, and then come back to us and continue for more information on the models we have coming up. And as it shouldn't be any different, we're going to go now and we're going to continue discussing this difficult or this tough part of the program, which is the content that is to be known. So project creation and project writing is something that there's a lot of stuff that we need to know, so we know which ways to take. And I will try to explain it now to you again, easy, step by step, slowly, so that you can understand what that is and what that is not. For now, we're going to have the sectors of action and the platform WebGate. And afterwards, we will discuss also the structure of the program before we move forward and before you decide which kind of project you would like to apply for as first, and then as second, and then after, and then after, and then after.